everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use our Hibou exclusive Hibou Suite Commissions module. The first step to install this module is to navigate to the Apps application. We're going to remove the filter and look for Commissions. As you can see, the module has already been installed, but in your case you will have a Activate button. Once the module has been installed, we can go back to our dashboard. Commissions are configured on employee contracts. So let's navigate over to the Employees app. And once here, we're going to select the employee in question, and then we're going to click on the Contract Smart button. In this case, it's going to be Miley. Here, we're going to go to the Create button and create a new contract. And we're going to make this be the Commissions contract. As you can see, we have multiple fields such as the employee, contract start date, contract end date. We're going to make this be 2024, June 21st. We're going to change the commission to 15% as well as the admin commission to be 15%. We can add the contract type, we can add the HR responsible. In this case, we're going to make it Sally, and whichever job position it is. Here we can add more information of the contract details, salary information, if it's part-time, etc. So here in commissions percentage, this percentage is the percentage the employee will receive on orders where they are the salesperson. And in admin commissions, this is a percentage the employee will receive on orders where this employee is the admin. So like the salesperson on the orders coach from the employee's record. Once this is done, we can mark it as running. And we need it to be marked as running in order for the employee to start receiving their commissions. Now we're going to go to employees and we're going to go to our contracts. And here in running, as you can see, we have all of our employee contracts. And as you can see, we can find Miley's commissions contract. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the commissions module. If you would like more information on this module, feel free to contact us at hello@hibou.io. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and have a good day!